Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat Trader here, and the lesson for today is 1. Anything can happen. And number 2, if you want to be a successful trader, you got to develop a trading system that works for you. And the number 2 step is you have to develop the discipline to follow it in good times and in bad. Today is a great example of that. In the GrokStar room, my first 6 trades were expense trades. That's right, 6 in a row expense trades. And then things started to turn around, and I started to get some income trades. First, it was on OMER. Here we are. This is after opening, and actually, this is one of my. I got into this one on a bull pullback, and it whipped down to over 2% and stopped me out for minus 1%. And then I got another 1% minus on this one as well. But it's in a symmetrical triangle. It breaks out, boom, just like that, and I get in again, and then bam, I lose 1%. So again, these lines I replicated them from my trading platform when I was actually trading this morning. And here we go. This is a 1-minute chart, by the way. Now it's in another symmetrical triangle here. So I'm setting a trade. If it were to break out with volume, I want it to be long. And then we go. Boom. There we go. And I did get long at $24.40 on here, $24.40, and boom, 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 it went up, and then it started to pull back here, and it dipped below this 8 EMA, which is where I had my stop. It stopped me out for 1.6% on that trade. Now it's starting to form what we call a bull flag. You can go to our free chart school if you want to look at any one of these formations and see what they look like. But here it is. It's putting this bull flag. So again, I set my trade ready to go, let the market come to me, and boom, it broke out up here, and I'm now long at $24.76. It pulled back a little bit, but this 20 moving average is holding as great support, so I'm putting a stop just underneath that area there, and boom, there we go. Look at this sucker go. Boom, boom, boom. OMER is really taking off now, and then it pulled back. So again, I brought my stop up here by this 8 EMA, and bam, it stopped me out right here. 24.30 for 2.1% on the second trade. Now this is the trade I really wanted to focus on today. Again, I had 6 expense trades in a row. Now I had 2 income trades, and I'm following this one, and we're trading some other ones as well. And it was in another bull flag here, so I set a trade up here, and boom, it broke out, and I got in at $25.51. I'm $25.51. Remember that again. It kind of just sat here for a little while. And then boom, it went up, and now it was high basing. This is 26 even dollar amount. It's just sitting there high basing at $26. So I decided to take out half, and I did it $25.95 for 1.7% on the first half. Now again, anytime you come out of these formations, we can kind of have a target. If it broke up this far, maybe it'll go at least that far, and it did in this case. In this case, it did again. So again, I'm going to take the other half, giving it a chance for the second half to run. And then here's what happened next. Again, I'm still long half of that. Boom, 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 and boom. Anything can happen. Look at this go, and look at the volume that came into this. Look at the volume increase, and boom, boom, and now it's starting to pull back. So it hit $30, and look how far it extended away it was from the 8 EMA, over $1.30. Holy mackerel, 5% over the 8 EMA. So this whole time I've been putting my stop underneath the last end of the bottom of the candle as it closes, and then I moved it here, and then bam, it slipped down here and got me out at $29.19 for 14.2% on the second half. I had no idea when I got into this trade down here on this bull flag it was going to run that far, but all I did was keep managing my stop, and then when I finally did stop out on it. But Mark, you didn't get out at $30. That's okay. I was glad to get out at $29.19 for 14%. How about you? So if we take a look here at this total last trade here, let's move it over. On this bull flag, broke out, and when it stalled, I took half, and then it just ran for the hills. And I got out when it pulled back a little bit too far. I was managing my stop very aggressively. And so this total trade was 7.95%. in 29 minutes. What happened after that? It did another bull flag here. Let's just kind of follow it for a second and see, that's a big one compared to these other ones over here. And it just kind of started to trickle out, and then bam, it failed. So this when it was up here in the $30 range, it was up over 100% for the day, and now it has pulled back. In fact, this red line down here is the active one as I'm recording this here at 3:30 this afternoon. It's around the $25 area now, still up 70% on the day. If you remember, we had 6 expense trades to start out the day, and now I've just shown you 3 of my income trades, and I had 3 others as well. So we ended up with the day at a 50% success rate, 6 out of 12 trades, which we have a target of 60 in the GrokStar room, and we have a target of 10% net on all of our trades. We ended up with 9.05. Not bad after starting the day with so many expense trades. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat Trader. Just remember that anything can happen, and you need to be ready for it, both mentally, physically, and electronically. Trade well.